Welcome to all prominent person and teachers. Today, we all gather here at the campus of GS Public School for in-house training. Today, our topic is components of a lesson plan, which is very important for all-round development of children. And today our resource person is Mr. Sunil Kumar Sharma. Lesson plan holds an important place in making the work of teaching and learning successful in a school, because the way whenever we are going to do any work, we plan it in advance in the same way when we are going to do the work of reading. Then there should be a plan in advance through which our reading may the work be successful. A lesson plan is a teacher's daily guide for what students need to learn, how it will be taught, and how learning will be measured. Lesson plan help teachers be more effective in the classroom by providing a detailed outline of to follow each class period. The most effective lesson plan have 6 key parts. First, lesson objective. Second, related requirements. Third, lesson materials. Fourth, lesson procedure. Fifth, assessment method. And sixth, lesson reflection. Because each part of a lesson plan plays a role in the learning experience of your students, it's important to approach them with a clear plan in mind. So, today get detailed information on this topic. I would like to invite Mr. Sunil Sharma as a resource person. Big hand clap for Sunil Sharma sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is the component of lesson plan. A lesson plan is a written of outline of what skills students are going to learn in a lesson. How the educator intend to teach is and how they will be ensure teachers and students understanding of the content of the end of the lesson. Using a lesson plan can help teachers be more prepared in educators their students. They may also make them more effective educators because they take the time of plan lesson in advance. Most lesson plans contain multiple components that help teachers plan the different parts from preparation to the lesson plan of competition. Component of lesson plan. Depending on your school, district and administration, you may have specific component of required in our schools and planning. Consider correcting your direct supervision and asking what elements they require. Objective. A lesson plan objective is are there can be one of the most important components of a lesson plan. Objective define what students are going to learn during the lesson and explain how the learning is going on to the assessment. After you retain our objective in the lesson plan, you can write it on the board and date of the lesson. Teacher usually update objective every day and review them with the students so they know what goal they are starting or the achieve, update your objective every day. There are a few different formats you can use to write objective sum, example of the goal and students' hopes. To achieve effective communication includes a goal and measurables from a assessment at the end of the lesson. Here are the few examples of different subjects. Materials. If you prepare the materials ahead of the lesson, you may have more than time and focus on the teacher in classroom. Next slide. Effective teachers, effective communication of teachers are 7 components of effective classroom lesson plan. Developing an effective lesson plan, whether you teach several subjects or teach in a specific content area. Lesson plans matter. The quality of your lesson plan will be great part determine how efficiently class time is used and how much content your students learn each period. Lesson plan do not have to be lengthy. The main thing is to make sure that contain the main element of the lesson. They are meant to guide your instruction so you can minimize classroom time. The component of an effective lesson plan for all grade levels. Know the content, understand the development of students, value and diversity of the students using multiple assessment to the evaluation progress. Create a stable learning environment. Adopt and modify instruction using use effective communication. Collaborate with all the members of the learning committee. Engage in suitable professional growth experience. The component of an effective communication plan for all grade levels. Necessary materials, clear objective, background knowledge, direct instruction, student practice, closure, and gather your materials. Next slide. Materials. What will we need to teach the lesson? This includes teacher supplies as well as your own. Don't forget about technology such as your document camera and laptop. Make sure you have everything situated so you are ready to roll when you students arrive. You don't want to be enables around in the middle of the lesson trying to locate the portables, which you the thought where is in that bottom cabinet only after realizing at the last minute they are not there. Having your resource linked up ahead of the time saves valuable class time and give you the great pieces of mind. Then you materials are in place. You can adopt all the energy and teaching the lesson plan. Your materials list may look something like this: link paper, pencil, rulers, chips, documents, camera, laptop. Know your class objective. What exactly do you want to the student to be able to do by the end of the lesson? This should be clearly communicated to your student variably at the very beginning of the lesson and posted in a high visible location in your classroom. It is helpful to have a specific place in your room where you regularly post your objective and to do. Set routine in the term how you introduce an objective such as the asking your classroom. Next slide. Good planning. Keep the teachers and students on track, achieve the objective, help teachers to avoid unpleasant surprise, provide the roadmap and visual in the logical sequence, provide direction to a student, encourage reflection, refreshment and the improvement, enhance student achievement. Next slide. Poor planning. There are several consequences of the poor project planning, which you have guessed it can lead up the decision. Poor planning increases expenses, delay, quality issue, client relation breakdown, lacking motivation, your team, loss of trust by the client and employees. Increases some sequence of the poor project management are not the behaviors and the manners and other, but they are can be just a dangerous in the long run. One such as the sequence of the increases expression. Next slide. A good lesson includes teach objective, expected, student behavior, warm up and introduction, producer, materials, worksheet, fill, test, etc., presentation, practice, application, closure, evaluation, test, alignment, teacher, organization, etc. Objective. A lesson must have been and purpose of the objective in educators. Interested must be clear about the objective to gain a successful learning outcome for any block of time. In order to choose and appreciate lesson and the educators must work backward in each of the curriculum area. For example, what are the general purpose of science education by the end of the high school? This should include enhancement and closely about the natural university development of the modern sciences attitude, including and manner and discipline manner in lesson plan with the criteria of the proof and knowledge of the basic finding of their application in the several science, interest, agriculture. This level of the general purpose as first step in class planning. Motivation. Motivation is the physical state within the each student in the wanting to learn what the instructor want to teach and learning, such as motivation should not be mirror gimmick at the lesson start. It must be an attitude suitable thought out the lesson. When labs occurs, the lesson cannot continue according to plan. Unmotivational students are not likely to be learn what we linked sound motivation comes from the high motivation. First, the subject matter is to be incredibly motivation, relevance and programming inability may be a part of the instructor. Motivation is the second motivator and interested are the flow from the understanding for the motivation and the add of the authority person. Is important and fulfills can be tell where teachers are the fingering good action ability. However, may help Thirdly, we come to focusing event. They may be is used to particular lesson. Usually, the first two motivation will be surface. Next slide. Let's think. The format of a lesson should go one step at a time, have a picture of the every steps. Lead in the lesson and relevant, and it may be the first activity of the lesson rather than the special event. Since active learning itself engaging dual lesson not only fail and achieve their objective, they tend to dual student to the class, technique and sequences. Specific planning and needed to determine what teaching technique will be the instructor used for the lesson, sequence for the lecture and activities. Another important considering that is based made before instructor being. The instructor need to the things taught the use of the whole group and or small group configurations and however more the class in the out of phase. Also part of the lesson planning is the gathering of the materials of the instructor using before the lesson plan of thought. The instructor must think throughout how much time each phase of the lesson thought out. The lesson is the planning lesson objective within the allotted time. A good deal of the time and thought goes to into the prepare smooth learning experiments. Next slide. The greater the structure of lesson and the more precise of the direction on what is to be accomplished, the higher of the achievement rate. Another danger of poor project management to the increased risk of delay. You, the team, may have understanding how long a task will take the completed to the perhaps unfaces issue keep propping up. This uncomfortable common you might do the surprised by the how often a project get delayed. The problem is to on the sum of jobs and delay can add up. If you team mice dealing contributions and the project may fall behind schedule and that will be sequences down the road. If you project in running late, then you likely have to pay your team overtime rate. And lesson planning also impact other factors in a project. For instance, if you staff misses deadline and milestones, then they may miss them on the entry project. You could even experience delay due to missed milestones of the because of the was not done properly the first time around. If a project get delayed, you will have to work extra hard to meet and the new dealing maybe even have to bring an additional help in hire more staff. Next slide. Objective. A description of what is the student will be able to do at the end of the lesson. Provide alignment with the district and state goal. Takes use behavioral work and describe the expected outcomes, action, non-wise appreciate, enjoy, love its. Next slide. Bharat and introduction. Another problem with poor project management is the risk that your final product will be a inferior quality. The lesson of the planning are the twofold. You might need to be pushed and tasked and to do multiple things at once. And whatever staff may not have enough time and complete all the risks and problem in the classroom. When suffering a task fever, it's easy to fall mistake to happen. You could end up the overlooking important bill for the listening to that you have taken more than of the had begin properly the first time around. Provide the interest, motivation factors, set are the tone of the lesson connected to the objective. A question, a story, a saying, an activity, a decision starter. If you set goal of your term, will ensure that your team members have the ample time of complete their task in create a incentive of time and work header. Tools like template can also be useful in this situation because it allows your team and collaborate more efficiently so what that they don't fall behind schedule of the Rook's thought task. All of this could have been avoided with proper planning and monitoring. Next slide. Pre-assessment. What are the characteristics of the learner in the class? What do the students already know and understand? How do my students learn best? What modification in instruction might I need to make? How to avoid project delay? It is important to see on the top of the any delay and make sure that you timeline stay in place. One way to ensure this is by having a decided term team members whose responsibility in staying on the top of the billing. The person can offer update at the relevant times and serves at the listening between two or more another. If you go back to our example of the outline store, if the project manager had with the track schedule progress, he or she might have see and delay while the implement and could have the taken step to fix it. This is the way management tools like Family lie are the important because they are offer delay time update to keep you informed. The greater of the structure of the relation and the more precise direction. Next slide. If you fail to stay connected with your client, it will be more difficult to get their buy-in. If you nearly and client the wishes or try to face force down something or them that they are not comfortable with your demand your relationship with them. If you relevant attractive to the classroom and lesson plan and another company that can be meet and the need to be planning. Next slide. Materials. Plan prepare have a had envision your needed needs, list all the resources have the enough manipulated when you needed to for the group or the individual. Practice. Applying what is the learned. Provide multiple learning activities, guided practice, teacher controlled. Use a variety of questioning strategy in determine the level of understanding. Generally, conferencing, independent practice. Practice may be differentiated built on success. If you prepare of materials ahead of the lessons, you may have the more time and focus on the teaching. You may choose your to format the materials components 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 of a lesson plan by the creating build point to teach each materials you need to students might need to do during the lessons. Here are the materials typically used during a lesson that may have to consider adding your list. Next slide. Learning activities, graphic, original, creative, play, peer presenting, performance, role playing, debate, game making, project, cooperative, groups, inquiry, learning, direct interaction, differences, direct interaction. Benefit of having a lesson plan. So, teaching can more efficiently teach within the understanding of a clear objective students can learn. Their overall goal at the start of the lesson so they know what to do focus on and how the content applies to them. Providing the teacher and the visualizations. Often educators complete a lesson plan. A lesson plan they can usually better visualization each step by step the lesson planning. They help team to prepare materials and focus on activities they can incorporate of enough and the student in the learning process. Serving on suitable plans. Sometimes your unaccepted requires a suited to take over all the classes in the like this. These plans become more valuable because suitable your time and minority and discipline in classroom. Use them when taking over a teacher's class over the day, saving time in the future. Educator can save successful lesson plan and use them for future lesson. May teachers save them on computers and adopt them each year of their students with an outline already complete. It can save the time and more not by not creating brand new plan each year. Supporting career advancement. Teachers can bring some of their most efficient lesson plan example with their annual performance review. They can also provide them during job interview. For example, future employees see the lesson, see they use in classroom. Type lesson plan is very types daily. Some teachers create lesson plan and teach of the week. The duration of each plan is the length of the one class period. And there are 5 separate lesson plans create for the entry week. Each day has a separate objective and a small assessment at the end of the day to check the student understanding of the day, content and the evaluation whether the comprehensions of the day of the week and lesson plan objective. Related 8 qualities of the good teachers and tip how to develop them. Weekly lesson plan consist of the one lesson create to last for the entry week. This type of plan takes 5 consecutive class period to complete educated teach on the content yearly in the week. Students practice using the content of the one midweek and then teachers succeed in classroom every students understanding at the end of the unit and weekly. You need some educated period to plan an entry unit ahead of time which can take anywhere from 2 weeks to work and every day and month. For them is teach and access. This lesson plan are more extensive than other because they take so they can pieces of the lesson according to each class ability level. Some classes can complete a unit faster than others, so teachers may want to adopt the lesson plan content area. Some educators stand more than one object each day, so they create multiple lesson plan. For example, many elementary teachers teach math, English, science, and SST. They are also every day, but they are teach and classroom those content area. They need to different lesson plan. They plan is each content area might to be one day, a week of the NT unit depending on the teacher performance. Grade level. In secondary classroom, typically grades 6 to 12, some educators teach more than one grade level. Those teachers create different lesson plan depending on what grade level they have. They are teaching each period. In the morning, a teacher may teach all the 6th grade science classes, and after lunch, they may have the 18th grade science for the ready of the day. Content of the varying level of the depend. Element of lesson plan. Next slide. Grade level and object. One of the first section of a lesson is the lesson warm up. Leave students with the imprint of what the lesson covered. Students summarize the major concept, display internalized student knowledge. Teacher recaps the main point. Teacher set the stage of the next phases of learning. One of the first section of lesson is a grade level and student subject of the lesson you are going to teach. If you share your plans with anyone, they should know what they intend audience of your lesson. Lesson is end of the subject, including this line in a lesson plan can also be helpful if your administrations want to be see there or the teaching line. This is the brief section that explain the type of lesson you are going to be teaching. Typically, a lesson is for one period or week, or it contains information for an entire unit. Many teachers choose their lesson type of the depending on their performance, but some may need to be achieved to the rules and their students of the district school district. The duration of the lesson plan, example, how long your lesson is going to the complete. It is a daily lesson plan. It may take the entire length of a typical classes period. A week lesson plan may take the total amount of time you see on a student in 1 week. If you are teaching a unit, a might of the 20 to 50 minutes sessions, you may need to adopt your plans according to the learning style of your students. Topics. The topics of your lesson plan is the object and you are focusing on the duration. Next slide. Duration. Accesses the learning rubric. Teacher may test in class or homework assignment project to apply the learning in real life situation. Assessment the end of the is the lesson usually like assessment that evaluation is the student overall understanding of the lesson topics. The assignment can be brief, such as the thumbs up or the thumbs down on whether students understanding the material. It may also be the sometimes and something more challenging, such as the quiz the students can take at the end of the lesson period. Teachers usually align the assessment with the objective of the lesson so that students know what they working toward throughout the lessons. Lesson plan template. Next slide. Reflection. What went we in the lesson? What problems did I experience? Are there things I could have done differently? How can I build on this lesson to make future lesson successfully? Next slide. Programs have the several options at the beginning, challenging, collecting and bank solutions of the lesson plan. Program men want to develop their own lesson plan templates. The professional development activities can be lead by the one program coordinators, directors and teachers are during the staff meeting. Working together as the staff on the activities give the group ownership and common understanding of the purpose and the producers and creating lesson plan. As well use the directors of the promoted qualities instructions goals to provide teaching with the achieve the review and the required elements of the lesson plan and develop of the program specific lesson plan template that meet able to requirement and teacher abilities. Next slide. Teacher at the beginning of the school year and after end of the session, teacher at the end of the school year. Next slide. A teacher is one who bring us tools and enable us to use them. Some guided question for the Decision around the flow chart might include where to the teachers start when they then begin to plan lesson. Do they begin with the standard or the occasion of the activities? Teachers can example their explaining and planning strategy and why they take this approach states and approach to find but discuss the advantage of each unknowledgeable everyone is a different and that there is no right or wrong approach. What is the important is the each component of included in the plan, depending on the your staff knowledge for the instructional process of the represented in the student experience model. This may be a good time of the review the model using 6, 8 and 6, 9 of the OPAS manual. Here the teachers should discover where each of the discussed components of the represented in the steps of the teaching and learning. They might want to highlight it where is the concept of the fund, especially preparing the planning in classroom. Next slide. Lesson plan review. Reflection open. Discuss. Preparation note. Period of the session. Choice a color of paper of the represent a primary element and another color represent the secondary elements. Use the attached template and make copies. Enough so you will have a set of each pair of stuff. Cut into section and place a complete set into each employee. Teachers may choose to work individually or in the pair to build their own lesson plan template. Distribute environment and each other. Share the following online sites as part of the PowerPoint presentation and another usually example for the lesson plan in the classroom. Teacher responsibilities, characteristics of a good lessons. Next slide. Lesson plan. The component of performance COPS are the part of the standard. To perform the standard, each component must be addressed in your lesson, but not necessarily all the benchmarks. Example: how will we know if the student have achieved the lesson objective? Description: what you will be during the lesson. The amount of the detail will vary depending on your lesson plan, instructor and the audience. More detail may be needed if other teachers will be using your plan. Outcoming at the end of the result is the lesson. What do you want to the student to be able to do as a result? Progress. Students' goals. This is the where are the state's region for the lesson plan, and the lesson plan is the important of students. Using daily in questioning to develop higher order thinking skill, critical thinking skills, knowledge, comparisons, application, analyze, scientific evaluations. Next slide. Teaching starts with the grid planning. Characteristics of grid lesson plan: clear instructions, explanations, timeline, on their assessment. This concluding part of the lesson plan speak to the matters on utility, efficiently and the place of the lesson in the learning sequence or tissue implies until in this thinking of the educator how who ignore until reach relevation modern ideas about the application are the not however limited to the concrete ecosystem and economics are the practical we understand ability to include the development of the thoughtfulnesses and demonstrates attitudes among other aims. The industrial must in planning know are the place of the each lesson. Next slide. Grit teaching start with grit planning. Students engaged and motivated. Break assignment into small chunk. Hands on the manipulative. Ask open-ended questions. Make lesson element. Allow students to develop on question to research. Integrate diverse teaching strategy. Talk a appreciate level. Next slide. Foundational habit. Evaluation of a lesson plan provide information at the efficiently degrees to which is the achieved it is the elevation primary and additional learning aims with the each student. The instructor cannot successfully continuous with the primary and additional learning. Lesson plan students do not achieve the performance objective. There are many assignment devices, formal and lesson area student in classroom, but achieve the performance objective. There are many assignment devices, formal and particular curriculum area. Whatever the devices, the lesson plan must always addresses the issue of evaluation, the idea follow up, embrace from the very fact of the lesson embedded in the unit of the curriculum. Lesson time blocks are the attitudes and the regard to the curriculum. Learning is not nearly packaged in the 55 minutes parcels. Each lesson plan is also should be meaningfully connected to the next in this subject and classes. The planning process must be provided those considered lessons. Planning can be tickly event for the most experienced teachers. After the long time, even you have got of the nail down and expect child. Then here are the few pointers to the helper you out. The first step to planning a lesson is to indifferently what you did like a cover in your lesson. For example, teacher in stage mandate schools, the mind is browsing the national curriculum aims or a related sequence of the work like the white rouge maths schemes. After this, you will be have to determine the individual needed of your students. For teachers in the mixed ability classes, this consider how you are going to engage your students. Choosing rich media like video is a great way to do this. You can browse twinkle plants have a collection of worksheet and activities. Always spend a few minutes at the end of each lesson to recap what you have to learn. As will be above to the lesson, important to spend some time achieve the efficiently your lesson planning and classroom. There will be you have the sport if you are doing anything wrong and corrective action and until the lesson package. You will be find that the twinkles plants contain rank in assessment materials with the perfect for helping you to do so. Next slide. Set students' goals. There are about high expressions keys to create goal setting. Regular routine, mini goals focus on small, immediate action oriented. Very specific action, what, when, how. Level, appreciate, followed by the reflection. Students need to be, evaluation need to be, feeling of accomplishment and the future goal setting. Next slide. The 5 most important things you can do for your students. Care, set high expectation, create ordinarily structured classroom, earn respect, stay calm, exercise staff control. Treat each student with the courtesy and respect. Next. The subject matter is include of the specific topic and how what is the relative back to the national curriculum. It should include the success of information or reflections whether in the website, textbooks and some other materials. Evaluation is the very teacher's way of how you will with the children understand by they have been in that lesson. This may be as simple as some multiple choice question or the formatting test teacher will be want to do like in this classroom. Profession of the every teachers in performance in classroom. Assignment is the understanding. Assignment in component of the plan is made up of the question, exercise and set practice specified by the teachers, including focus specific questions. Coming out with a plan with the is a subject and cover specific topics yearly. Challenging, we have the in sources that can help you with the different types of the lesson plan. The first step to planning lesson is identify what you did like a cover in your lesson for teacher in state mandate the school schedule. This might means browsing the national curriculum aims or the related schemes of the work and live to the school campus and anywhere. What rules the maths sequence? A lesson objective can be one of the most important component of lesson materials. If you the proper prepare of the materials ahead of lesson, you may have more time of the focus on teaching background knowledge, direct instruction, guided teachers, a closure and assignment. What exactly do you want to the student to be able to do by the end of the lesson? This is should be clearly communicated to you student verbally at the very beginning of the lesson and posted in a highly visible location in your classroom. Set the state of the topics in your classroom and the background knowledge, previous and experience, period learning or both. To prepare them or the new concept you are about of the introduce. The point is to be make connections between what you student already know and how what you are going to teach them. For example, if you are the for example present in the classroom using metaphors and similar in writing, start out by the discussing the make a story engrossing to a reader. Similar in writing, start by the decisions. Involves you student the decision by the asking them to share their thought based on grabbing stories they have read. Some response you may get all the interesting characters, interesting plots, suspenses, and ability to related characters or plot. Perhaps you have taught our from of the formatting language such as the hyperboles and professionals yearly in the classroom and yearly of the year. Review those briefly. Those decisions will be lead right to in classroom and using metaphors and the similar additional way to make a story capability of readers. Direct instructor. This is the meat of the lesson plan. It is where you represent in the classroom concept of the clear every states by understanding. Speak clearly and closely. Listen the more on the long as you stay on topics. Using the board or a documents camera as you model what you teaching if the lesson involve and process them. So the process speak out as you model thought out the explaining each step by step the going along. Be sure to take your time. Modeling is a critical part of the direction instructor. When student watches the listen to you apply to the concept, they are much better able to understand what you are the typing to teach them. It is the important to model multiple example of the concept of the introducing. Student practice conceit of these steps: guided practice, collaborative practice set, and independent practice. This is the three types step process allow to gradually realize your student from the watching your model and correct application of the concept to allowing them to apply a concept independently. After you have the presented them new concept and the modeled a few example of on your own. Involve your student in a few additional examples using the board or documents camera. They have gained confidence as they go and thought the process with you. Coverage with them and thought the process, questioning them when they offering their input as you maintain your rules as leader. At this point, they are still under your wing as you walk them thought and the process, but you have the allowing you to participate in the process of with you in classroom. Thank you.
Thanks all prominent person and teachers who with us and listening our resource person Mr. Sunil sir and I also say thank you to Sunil sir for marvelous speech on the topic components of lesson plan. For teachers, lesson plan are the building blocks used to help organize thought and information. The 4 phases lesson plan was decided to facilitate the planning process. As you develop each phase of your lesson plan, remember to include the following components: direct students focus learning, activity and reflection. If you are called upon to instruct others, your audience will benefit from this well organized approach. We got very important information from today's training. So, thank you sir for giving such good information. We will meet very soon in the next training. That's all. Thank you.